Hey everyone, this is Olivia from TaskFord. Today, I want to show you a simpler way to manage your work. When everything's spread across different tools, things can get messy really fast. TaskFord brings everything from projects, tasks, resources, and even costs into one place, so your team can stay on the same page and know what's going on. Let me show you how it works.
So first, to manage your work, you need a clear structure. In TaskFord, everything starts with a board. This is where your projects actually live. You can create one from scratch or use a template to get started faster. Once your board is set up, it's time to start adding tasks. From here, you can create tasks one by one. Or if you already have everything in a file, just use the import function to save time by automatically pulling in your tasks. And look inside a task. This is where everything comes together. You can assign it. Set priority, add start date and due date. If you need more context, add a description, attach files, or break it down into subtasks. So instead of jumping between tools, everything stays in one place.
Now that work starts moving, you need a way to stay on top of progress without feeling overwhelmed.
So depending on what you're trying to do, you can switch between different views. With the table view, you can organize everything like a spreadsheet. With Kanban, you can visually track progress and move tasks across stages. With Schedule, you can plan workload across time and team members. And with the Gantt view, you can manage timelines, dependencies, and see the full picture of the project. Finally, if you just want a quick update, Overview gives you a snapshot of everything. As your projects grow, you also need to manage people and workloads. You can invite your teammates, assign roles like admin, editor, or viewer, and collaborate inside a board.
When you're working across multiple projects, you need a way to see everything at a higher level.
That's Portfolio. You can group related boards together and track progress across all of them without jumping back and forth.
Beyond day-to-day work, you also need visibility. You need to understand how things are progressing and where attention is needed.
With dashboards, you can pull in data from different boards, build widgets, and get a clear overview of your work.
And finally, you need control over how everything runs.
In Settings, you can manage users, roles, and permissions, or even integrations with other apps, so your entire workspace works the way your team needs.
So that's TaskFord, and we're continuing to improve TaskFord with more capabilities coming soon to help you manage work even better. You can get started for free and see how it works for your workflow. Try it today.